So I kind of still have problems talking about things and capturing video while I'm at home. It's been a short work week, so I was home Thursday and, you know, didn't do much videoing, didn't do much vlogging. And that's what the whole vlog is for, to vlog. So hopefully next week. Doesn't look too bad, eh? What we have here is, oh, my lights stuck on the cables. Sweet and tangy pork with spicy sweet potatoes by Crave. Look at this list of ingredients. Oh man, was that even in the shot? Crave right here? No, to just redo the shot. Look at this list of ingredients. Very small compared to the Hungry Man's novel of ingredients. Oh, get out of here, Hungry Man. Try some of the old pork. Not bad. Sweet potato. Pretty good. Pretty sweet. The pork is real pork. It's not like that mechanically separated patty stuff from the Hungry Man. That's real pork. No isolated soy protein in there. Not a lot of portion. I'll also give this a 8 out of 10. All right, just finished the vlog. Got it done. Got it uploaded for you guys. And now I think it's time to work on the Hob review. Aztez should be getting edited today. Feldy should be doing it. I'm not entirely sure though. He might be doing it tomorrow. I can't remember. I think he's off. Maybe he's off Wednesday, Thursday. So he should be getting at it pretty quickly. And then that'll be up for Thursday. No, yeah, Thursday for you guys. Friday for the rest of the world. I really need to improve my writing. I really need to get more comedy going on in there, making it more interesting. Because average view times are like around 2 minutes. I think I need to increase that. I think we need to get something more interesting going on. See what we can do. I don't know. But it's time for Hob. So I'm on my way home now, and you can really see the fire, how smoky it is as we get closer and closer to the Kamloops. It's just crazy. Absolutely crazy how much smoke there is right now. And here we are going up to my wife's boss's place to do a little plant watering. It's a pretty nice little trip up to the mountains.